Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So the OneUi 7 update along with the Android 15 update is now rolling out on the older flagship models such as Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is rolling out to different regions gradually, so it might reach your region within this week. To check for the update, simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on software update, then tap on download and install to get this update. Also, after the update, some users are facing some battery drain or lag issues. So today in this video, I will show you a trick by which you can fix that. Or if you're not facing any battery drain or lag issue, you can just do it as a precautionary measure to avoid these issues. So the process is really simple. You just have to first of all power off your device. And after shutting your phone down, you just have to wait until your phone is completely turned off. Now over here you will have to wait until your phone is completely turned off. Now from here you will have to long press your volume up and power button at once. And make sure to keep pressing both of these buttons until your device goes into the recovery mode. You have to keep holding both these buttons and now you can release it once it is going into this department. To navigate up and down over here, you can use your volume button, and to select anything you have to use your power button. From here select wipe cache partition and then select yes, then you have to select reboot system now. So this will clear all the cache of your device and your phone will be now lag free and battery drain fix will be held. Also, some users are scared of getting a green line issue after the OneUi 7 update. So I have also made a video of the precautionary measures that you can take to avoid these green line issues on your phone. So the link will be mentioned to check out that video. Do let me know in the comment section that are you facing any battery drain or lag issues after the OneUi 7 update on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. And yes, I have used the S24 Ultra to make this video as the S22 Ultra was not available at the moment, but the process will be same for the S22 Ultra as well. And that's it for today's video. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.